While Scott C. Waring was searching for UFOs near the Sun, he found a long rocket-like object shooting out of the Sun during a solar explosion. The explosion was so big it rocked the SOHO satellite and jiggled it, but still caught this UFO during the burst. This UFO was really moving fast, but lucky for us the digital camera of the SOHO satellite caught it well. If I am wrong, and this is burning solar material flying out from the Sun, then it's enough material to make a mini-sun and would easily destroy the Earth if it hit us. However, solar material would not shoot off at light speed. This object was only caught once, traveled millions of miles across the SOHO satellite view area, and only got caught once. That's a freaking UFO.